welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is the newest Cosmo box. So today is the March unboxing of the Cosmo box. Now I do have a code now with Cosmo box which will get you 10% off your very first box if you do sign up. I'll add the code to the screen and also be down in the description box. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So jumping straight in, I do have Easter makeup on. These are little bunnies. But let's jump into the unboxing. Now I just received the box as usual in the same box with the same cute packaging. We've got our little booklet here which will tell us everything that is in here. Now today is the March edition, so it is Cleanse and Revitalize Your Skin. So let's jump straight into the product. So the first item today is from Le Bellage. If you see me looking down, it is because I do read from the little booklet here so that I give you all the correct details. So this is a deluxe eyebrow pencil in dark brown and it retails for $8.90. So it just comes like this. Just a nice pencil, just like that. And on the other side it has a nice spoolie. Unfortunately my brows aren't dark brown, so I don't think I can get away with this, but I will pass this on to someone that does have dark brown eyebrows. I'm more of a taupe to like a light brown, so yeah, I will pass this on, but I'm super excited that we actually got a makeup product in this box. So yeah, let's see what else we have. Okay, number 2, we have a PMD. Ooh, we got one of these in the Cosmo box advent calendar as well. So I do actually already have one of these, so I'm going to re-gift this on to a friend or family member, or I'll pop it in a future giveaway for you guys. So this is what the PMD is. So basically this retails for 99 Australian dollars and it is crafted with over 7,000 vibrations per minute. So it's an indulgent facial cleansing device which purifies with effortless finesse, delicately removing impurities and makeup to leave skin glowing, featuring 4 modes including a gentle setting for the most sensitive of skin. Add a touch of elegance to your skincare regimen with the rare and distinguished emerald colour of this luxurious PMD clean mini brush. So this is what it looks like here. It's a really nice sort of turquoisey green, really pretty, and it's got gold down the bottom there. And yeah, it's got the 4 settings. I'm pretty sure this is the exact colour that I got in my advent calendar as well. But yeah, I will either pass this on to a friend or family member or pop this in a future giveaway for you guys because I don't need that many and I already have 2. So yeah, that's a really exciting and expensive item in here. So number 3 is actually a deluxe sample kit. So it's from Etude House and it retails for 9 Australian dollars. So it's this little kit here. So it comes in this cute little pink baggie and it's got 4 little samples in here. So it says it's got a facial toner, emulsion, a serum and a cream. So basically it says including collagen, this luxurious kit deeply hydrates and rejuvenates the skin, features a toner, emulsion, cream and eye cream. This indulgent kit provides a complete and transformative skincare experience for those seeking a radiant and youthful complexion. So this is really cute. I haven't heard of this brand before, so definitely interested to see what it is like. It is made in Korea and Korea's skincare is like well above ours. So yeah, I'm really excited to give this a shot. I am a bit nervous about my sensitive skin though, so I might just do a patch test. If it doesn't work for me, I'll pass it on to a friend or family member. Okay, and number 4 is from Embryolisse. I never know how to pronounce this. This one retails for 26 Australian dollars and it is a moisturizer cream. It is a full size 13 mils. So this one is enriched with natural ingredients including shea butter and aloe vera. This opulent cream deeply moisturizes and restores the skin's natural radiance. Perfectly sized for on-the-go use, this indulgent cream is a must-have for any discerning beauty enthusiast seeking a luxurious and transformative skincare experience. So this is really good. I've actually got a few of these in my boxes now, so I might pop this one in a giveaway for you guys because I don't need that many. Okay, Second last item here, this one is another full-size product. It is a facial cleanser which is 200 mils and retails for 52 Australian dollars, and it is from Grown Alchemist. So I know this is a very popular item, so I'm really excited to get this. So it comes in this box, and then opening it up, I love their packaging. It would look so good on your counter. I really do love the packaging of this one, so super excited to get this one in the box. So the last item has really caught my eye in the packaging, so I left this one to last. It is actually a lip balm, and it is so stunning. Not sure if you can see in there, it's got water and all these like sparkles that's moving around in there. Almost like a snow globe. So cool. So this one retails for 18 Australian dollars, and it's from the brand Corinco. And it is an innovative formula that reacts to your body temperature, creating a custom shade that is uniquely yours. This nourishing balm moisturizes dry lips, leaving them looking plump and supple. Try the No. 3 Swans Lake, a colourless balm that adds a subtle shine to your lips for a touch of elegance. Add this opulent balm to your daily beauty ritual and enjoy the transformative benefits for your lips. So this is really, really cool. So I've got this in 01, it says, but let's open it up and do a swatch on the back of my hand and see what colour it turns on my hand. Here's the packaging close up. How stunning is that? I'm obsessed. Small things amuse me. So cool. So then this is what it is on the inside, and it's just like a light pink sort of balm, but let's put it on my hand and see what happens. Ooh, I can see colour forming. It has turned a really pretty pink. I'm not sure if you're able to see that because my lights are so bright. Let's turn them down a little bit. See how pretty that is? So I'm excited to give that a shot on my lips. I've just finished my makeup and have something else on my lips at the moment, so I won't put it on now. But that is super pretty, and I'm super excited to have that in my collection. It's definitely a piece that I'll probably have displayed on my desk because it is so stunning. I'm obsessed. So it does also have a sneak peek for next month, and it is from Cosmobox, a Clear Glow Light Therapy Mask. Ooh, that is interesting. I'm excited to see that. Can't wait for April's edition. But I really enjoyed this month's box. I'm so glad that they've put 2 little makeup items in here. Even though I can't use the brow pencil, I'm still excited that there was actually makeup and it wasn't just all skincare. So yeah, I will add up the total on the screen for you of how much I paid with my express shipping versus how much it was worth. I think it was definitely good value for money. I mean, the PMD alone was $99, and that's more than what I paid for the box. So yeah, really happy and impressed with this month's box. Once again, I do have a code with Cosmobox which will get you 10% off your very first box with them. So if you want to use it, I will add it onto the screen for you down below, and it will also be in the description box. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!